Welcome back to the channel again, guys. Today we have an exciting video brought to you by Taiwan Excellence. We will be building an all-AMD gaming PC. Taiwan Excellence is actually an initiative by the Taiwan government to encourage Taiwan industries to upgrade and incorporate innovation and value into their products. If you don't already know, a lot of tech giants are actually from Taiwan. Also, I'd like to shout out to Brexstar Malaysia for arranging all the parts that you see in this video today on behalf of Taiwan Excellence. Click on the link in the description box below to learn more. So let's go through the parts that we are going to use for today's build. To start off, we will be using the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X 12 cores 24 threads CPU. The CPU will be installed into the ROG Crosshair 8 Dark Hero X570 motherboard. Following the ROG theme, we have the brand new XPG Spectrix D50 ROG certified RAM. Here we have 4 sticks of 8GB 3200MHz DDR4 RAM. Storage wise, we have 2TB of MSI Spatium M480 PCIe Gen 4 M.2 drive. To cool off the CPU, we have the ThermalTake Tough Liquid Ultra 360 AIO liquid cooler. This cooler comes with an LCD screen. For GPU, we have the ROG Strix Gaming OC AMD Radeon RX 6800. We also have the brand new ROG Strix XF120 PWM fans. Here we have 10 pieces to fill up the entire build. To power the entire system, we have the ThermalTake Tough Power GF1 1200W PSU, which comes with 10-year warranty. Last but not least, as you have seen in the intro, we are going to be building into the ThermalTake Core P6 TG case. I'm gonna stop talking, let's build.